Today in Tirupati, we are organizing a great rally, big rally, and public meeting for demanding the union government to pass an ordinance regarding Prevention of Atrocities Act, to save the Atrocities Act. Because some months back, Supreme Court of India have given a direction against this act and diluted. Immediately, all over the nation, we responded against this Supreme Court direction. Not only Ambedkarites, all left parties in India and Congress party also responded positively for Dalit people. So now we demand through this the people rally that union government should come forward to pass an ordinance to strengthen the Prevention of Atrocities Act, and union government should include this act in the 9th schedule of the Constitution of India. So this is the two important demand of this rally. Our party VCK in Andhra Pradesh also demanding union government, as per their promise, to give special status immediately. This is very important after the division of Telangana. Mr. Chandrababu Naidu, the Honorable Chief Minister, has withdrawn their support from the NDA. We welcomed it. This is very need of the hour. So our VCK party is also supporting the stand of Andhra Pradesh government against union government for the special status of Andhra Pradesh. So really, the promise has given by the Congress government at the time of division of Andhra Pradesh. Anyhow, this is the duty of union government. So, being a Prime Minister of India, Modi has the responsibility to implement the promise as given by the union government for Andhra Pradesh people. So, this is must. Our Prime Minister should give the special status for Andhra Pradesh. All laborers, maybe they are involving as a labor, but government should find out who behind this kind of smuggling. This will not be committed by laborers. A big mafia is behind it. They are all not from Tamil Nadu or any other state. They are belonging to Andhra Pradesh. So the red sandal smuggling is going on still only because of the mafia who are saved by the politicians. So the political support they had, the politicians are also involved in it. So the people who are behind it must be arrested. That is very important. The Andhra Pradesh government should concentrate in this direction. But without the political support, no one can do like this. The political support or the official support are there. Without the knowledge of officials, police officials or forest officials, without the knowledge of politicians, no one can do like this. So a big mafia is behind it. They must first, they have to arrest them. That is very important. Otherwise, it will continue.
Now you can see that in every channels by the daily, those who are arrested, they are the Dalit people saying that so do we, as a Dalit people, head of that, do you going to aware that?
I am aware of it, but they are all laborers. Maybe they involved or not involved. I don't know whether they committed or not committed. But they are all laborers. Is it right that laborers only are behind it? Is it right? definitely there will be a mafia behind it. So who are they? Why they didn't still arrested? They are not arrested by the police. Particularly our Andhra Pradesh government is not interested or is not focused to arrest the mafia behind it. That is my question. So the mere laborers are not doing this kind of smuggling. They are only coming for income, daily wages. That's all.